Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by installing Google Meet and signing in so you can join or start calls immediately. Tap Install, then open the app and grant camera and microphone permissions. This lets others see and hear you. Once signed in with your Google account, make sure notifications are enabled so meeting invites arrive on time. Also check your iPhone's iOS version and Wi-Fi. Good bandwidth matters. These first steps get your device ready, so you can move straight into creating or joining a meeting. Now you'll join or start a meeting. Tap Join with a code if you have an ID or new meeting to start instantly and share the link. Choose your camera and microphone settings, switch between front and back cameras, and toggle noise suppression when needed because audio clarity affects participation. Use the background replace or blur feature for privacy. If scheduling, open calendar, create an event, add a meet link, and invite attendees. This keeps meeting starts organized and reduces last-minute. During the call, you'll use controls along the bottom. Mute/unmute, toggle camera, share screen, open chat, and enable live captions for accessibility. Pin or spotlight a speaker to focus the view and manage participants if you're the host. If video or audio drops, first mute and unmute, then restart the Meet app. Make sure camera and mic permissions remain enabled in settings. If issues persist, toggle Wi-Fi off and on or switch to cellular. These quick fixes resolve most connection problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.